Hi everyone, welcome to Mind the AI. So today we're going to talk about ChatGPT and we're going to explore 5 different ways this amazing AI tool will affect your life and your work as well. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to go on openai.com. So once you're on the website, if you have an account already, you can log in. Otherwise, you can just sign up for a new account. Enter your email address and verify it in your email, and then you'll be able to start using ChatGPT. Okay, so once you created your account, you'll be prompted to this interface. First it will be ChatGPT, which is the one we're going to use. Then there is Dolly, which is an image generating tool, and API, which will be used to integrate other different models. Okay, so once you click on ChatGPT, you're gonna be redirected into this interface. On the left here, you will see a list of the messages and chats. Here you will see the account. We have the 3.5 version, which is a free version. You can use the exact same one once you will log in. And here you have some examples of prompts that you can write into this text box. So let's have a look at these 5 different ways you can use ChatGPT. The first will be idea generation. So you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm and generate creative ideas for projects, writing, or any problem-solving task. Let's have a look at an example of a prompt. Let's just say that you need to create a marketing campaign targeting teenagers. So you can write something like, if it's too many, you can hit the stop generating and it will stop. And as you can see, it stops in the middle of a sentence. If you're happy with some of these ideas that you're getting, like, I don't know, content contest, user generated, interactive social media challenges, and so on, you can use any of those ideas. Otherwise, you can regenerate the answer. Another way you can change your prompt is to just edit it with this little button here. So you can edit your prompt and regenerate it. So let's just say that you want to have a specific number of ideas. So I need, let's just say, 3 creative ideas for a marketing campaign. So you can save and submit, and it will replace the answer. If you don't want the answer to be replaced, you can just write a new prompt. But also, the previous prompt that you write on this window, it will be saved over here. So if you click here on the back, you will see the previous answer, and if you click forward, you can see the actual answers that you just received. And you can see you have 3 different creative ideas, because we asked 3, and they are a bit longer, so a bit more specific. So another way you can use ChatGPT is through learning and research. So you can ask ChatGPT to explain complex topics in simple terms, making it a helpful tool for learning a new subject. So let's have a look at the prompt example. You can, for example, ask ChatGPT to explain the concept of blockchain, which is very complex. And let's have a look. So we ask it to explain it in simple terms, so that way we should have an answer that would be easier to understand without too many technical or complex terms. This is a pretty good way to use ChatGPT if you're interested in a topic and you don't want to go through the whole process of looking for information on the internet. So you can easily have an answer based on the complexity that you wish to have. So another way you can use ChatGPT is through content writing. So you can draft articles, blog posts, essays, or marketing content. You just need to provide the main points of structure, and ChatGPT can assist in generating detailed, coherent, and engaging written content. So let's just have a look at an example for prompts. Let's just say you have a blog and you need a post about, I don't know, sustainable fashion. So help me write an introduction for a blog post about sustainable fashion. Here we go. So it's analyzing obviously your prompt. And here it is. You've got your introduction, and as I said, if you think it's too long or or if it doesn't satisfy your criteria, you can always regenerate the same prompt, or you can make a completely new one. As we are using the same chat, you can see here on the left you have only one. So if you create a new chat, you will have different ones. So you can it could help you to navigate through the chats in the future. So the fourth way that ChatGPT can help you it's through language and writing assistant. So you can seek help with grammar, spelling and sentence structure by having ChatGPT proofread your writing. So let's have a look at this. Let's write a prompt that has a spelling mistake and see if ChatGPT will be able to recognize it. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT is gonna tell us. Here we go. It corrected our mistake pretty fast. They're going to the park. They're planning on having a picnic. Yeah, so that's pretty cool actually. So it can understand any spelling mistakes and it will be happy to fix it for you. Okay, so the fifth way we can use ChatGPT is by using it as a conversational agent. So you can engage in interactive conversation with ChatGPT for entertainment or companionship. Let's have a look at an example. Let's say that you want to have a conversation about space exploration, which is a super wide topic. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you a brief introduction about the topic, and then it asks you if you have any particular interest that you want to discuss about this topic, and so that you can go on with the conversation. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like content like this, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much again, and see you soon.